Hey, hello. Welcome back to my channel. And these readings are for the week of July 21 to 27. So, let's start. Ito talaga, kukuritin ko talaga yung mga singit ng mga Aries na to eh. Aries rin ako, so anyway. Okay, Aries, you're already in the zone in a certain project, okay? But you're being distracted by a certain situation or a certain person. Go back, focus again sa kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Para ma-tick off mo na to sa bucket list mo. Okay? Tama-tama na muna yung mga distraction na yan ng mga tao-tao dyan. Okay? Focus. Yes, and this has been your reading for this week. Next week, balik ulit kayo. Abangan ninyo yung next na reading natin. And like, subscribe, follow me here on TikTok and on YouTube. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.